If you are new to the practice of affirmations, or if you have been doing affirmations for days, weeks, months, and even years, and you feel like you're not getting the results that you desire, then this video is for you. So kick back, relax, and come on a journey with us, because we're going to show you how to make your affirmations work fast. Hey Inspire Tribe, how's it going? It's John here, Kristin here. You're on the Inspire channel, and it's a beautiful day to come together and speak about something that is close to our hearts, close to your hearts. Affirmations, we all do them, we all have been doing them all of our lives, now maybe more conscious than ever. And today's all about how to make your affirmations work fast. While this sounds like a get-rich-quick scheme, it is not at all. There's a method behind it, and there's a way, and most people overlook that little important piece that make affirmations work fast. Now let's rewind just a little bit. What are affirmations, and why are we even doing affirmations? Affirmations are statements of truth or belief, and we all do affirmations whether we know it or not, every day, all day, by making statements. And we have been doing it since we started talking. It's how we are shaped. It's how our minds are shaped. It's how we come to believe what we believe. And when you look at, your childhood, and when you look at what you've been taught by your parents and your peers and your teachers and your grandparents and other influential people in your life, those were the people that gave you affirmations. They said something that you started believing. And now these beliefs are deeply rooted in your subconscious mind. And when you go through life, you start examining which beliefs serve you and which don't. And that's where affirmations, conscious active affirmations, come into play. That's why you write down or speak statements that you would like to fully believe and manifest into your reality. It's a wonderful tool to reprogram not just your subconscious mind, but your whole reality. And so there's a number of ways to do affirmations. Now you can speak them, you can listen to them, you can write them down. There's mirror affirmations where you look into the mirror and speak to yourself, and whichever one feels best to you. Today I want to show you why they are not working the way you desire them to work. Because the ideal situation is I'm going to do affirmations, I'm going to write them down, and I'm going to say them, and then maybe a few days, a few weeks later, this is going to manifest into my reality. However, there are so many people that have been doing them for months, even years, and things haven't really turned out that way. Why is that? Because simply sitting down and writing down affirmations has very little power. It has very little power because what matters is the intention, is the feeling, is the emotion. And when you just, get 5 minutes during the day where you sit down and quickly write them down, then it's going to have very little effect. It's going to take a very long time. The key to making your affirmations work fast is to put yourself in an elevated, altered state of mind. Remember in your childhood, there was this one event where something happened that you can, to this day, you can feel it. And then maybe your mom or maybe your dad said something that you remember to this day, and you believe it because you were in an elevated emotional state. You were in an altered state of mind, and that's when the powerful stuff comes in. That's when the stuff that you believe comes in. So that's what we want to do when we do affirmations. We want to put ourselves in a higher vibration, in an elevated, altered state of mind. And how do we do that? Basically, the best and most efficient method is meditation. But you don't have to go into deep meditation every time, although I would suggest right after your meditation, do your affirmations, because you're going to be in that elevated state of mind, and those affirmations are going to sink in. But also when you take a walk, maybe during the day or at night, when you take a walk by yourself or with your loved one or with your dog, it doesn't matter, because being out in nature connects you. You are connected to Source, you're in a more peaceful state of mind, and then your affirmations sink in. And that is what we want. We want to reprogram our subconscious mind, and we want to create this new vibration, and that's what your beliefs do. They create your dominant vibration. So when you sit down and do your affirmations, or stand up and do your affirmations with a mixed vibration, it's going to take a long time. But when you first put yourself in a state of gratitude, of appreciation, of love, of peace, of kindness, any of those states will elevate you, will elevate your spirit, elevate your vibration, and your affirmations will go straight to the source. That's where you want them to be. And another thing that is very important about your affirmations is that you start very general. Make it as open and as general a statement as it can be. For example, if it is perfect health, then a good affirmation is, I am perfect health. You see, don't go very specific about any, illnesses or ailments that you have. Go very general. That's what your body responds to the fastest. That's a clear vibration for the universe to pick up and send you back. I am perfect health. I live a healthy and prosperous life. Make them very general until you have the feeling that this is your dominant vibration. Then you can go more specific and more specific and more specific. So first, put yourself in an elevated state of mind. Raise your vibration, then do your affirmation. Number 2, keep it very general at first. Make a general, beautiful list. General, open, present tense statements. Number 3, and that's how I end all of my affirmations, and I have learned how beautiful it is, how good it feels, and why it is very important. End every affirmation with under grace in perfect ways. Because the universe has unlimited possibilities to bring you what you desire to manifest, but you want it under grace in perfect ways, which means that it's in an effortless, easy way that doesn't harm anyone or doesn't come very hard. It should come easy and beautifully. So for example, I now receive perfect health under grace in perfect ways, or millions and millions come to me every day under grace in perfect ways. So if you follow these few tips that we bring to you today, it is almost guaranteed that your affirmations will work faster and clearer and in a more effortless way. It is just a small switch that you flip, but it makes all the difference. Remember that why you do affirmations or anything is because how you want to feel when you manifest those things into your life. So start with the feeling, then do your affirmations, and that's what's going to create the magic sauce for your manifestations. Thank you so much for being here with us today. As always, if you're inspired, please also inspire someone else. Share it with someone. Share this video. Click the like button, the subscribe button, all the good buttons. Comment down below. Comment your favorite affirmations, greatest successes, whatever you feel is coming through you. Please let us know. We love to hear from you. Have a wonderful and inspired rest of your day, and we love you guys.